Purslane is a type of grass that grows in the Philippines, and grows all over the world. Also known as little hogweed, and verdolaga. Even in the sweltering heat of the summer, it is frequently observed thriving in the cracks of sidewalks and driveways. We just stomp on them with our feet. But in other places, it is an expensive herb. It is edible, nutritious, provides some impressive health benefits, and is even exported to other countries. We often see this grass when we clean our garden, backyard, and plants. This weed is easily pulled out, and thrown in the trash, because they take the soil of nutrients that are meant for plants. But before you throw away this weed, watch this video first. Purslane is still consumed today for its medicinal benefits. It is one of the healthiest plants sitting in your backyard. It is an excellent great source of vitamins and minerals. It gives many dishes a fresh, tangy flavor, and can be used as a garnish on sandwiches or in salads. There are a number of additional important reasons why purslane needs to be eaten, despite the fact that many people just use it because of its mildly tangy flavor in their cuisine. Here are a few well-known health advantages of eating purslane. Purslane are high in many nutrients. The weeds contains the following vitamins and minerals: vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B, choline, magnesium, manganese, potassium, iron, and calcium. Good for the heart. Additionally beneficial to your cardiovascular system is purslane. It is one of the few vegetables that is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for maintaining healthy arteries, and can help avoid heart attacks, strokes, and other types of heart disease. Purslane really possesses the greatest known concentrations of omega-3 fatty acids, as compared to any terrestrial plant. Excellent for skin. Do you desire skin that is radiant and lovely? Because of its high antioxidant content, purslane is very good for the skin. Antioxidants are necessary for collagen production, and collagen helps to keep your skin supple and reduce wrinkles. Lower cancer risk. Purslane is high in beta-carotene, the pigment that gives its stems and leaves their scarlet color. Purslane contains a variety of antioxidants, including beta-carotene. These antioxidants have been shown to lower the number of free radicals in your body. Antioxidants are substances that work to neutralize free radicals, which damage cells and cause cancer. As a result, your risk of cancer is reduced. Improve blood circulation. Purslane contains iron and copper, which support the creation of red blood cells. Because of so many minerals contained in this weed, more oxygen is transported to vital parts of the human body, as well as faster repair of cells and organs. Help to keep strong bones. Purslane contains different kinds of minerals, making it a healthy choice for people who want to strengthen their bones, or people who have problems with their bones. Iron, magnesium, manganese, and calcium are all vital minerals for the development of bone tissue, and the speeding up of the healing process of our bones. This can help you avoid osteoarthritis, a major age-related illness that affects millions of individuals. Warning. Purslane, this weed contains oxalic acid, a naturally occurring chemical found in several vegetables, that can accumulate as oxalate stones in some people's urinary tract. If you have kidney problem, avoid eating this weed. Pregnant women are usually advised to avoid eating purslane, since it can lead to miscarriage. The next time you see purslane, don't step on it. Eat it. We hope you found the information in this video useful. I hope all of us are in good health. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor before making any decisions. Also, please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe and like button. It really helps support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.